ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Menteri Katanat Sam Boarding jong ke Sarkar Jilla James P.K. Sangma ha ke khat sautrik ukela lingkot arajar arpuway ula pentim baka Sarkar Jilla kalabu thong ban pleno ya ke ganol hydroelectric project ka ba arpu ar 0.1 megawatt hapo ubnai jimmang jong snem arajar arpu ar ha ke jingye keren bat gilat pathai khobor James P.K. Sangma uliyatho baka high powered committee yakabala khli da chief secretary jong ke Jilla MS Rao kala khmi sani bha ya ka jingtulun jong ki kam jong gane ka project harilom karo.
We are hopeful and expectant and looking optimistically at the commissioning of the Garnol project by sometime in May 2022. That is, we are optimistically looking at that. Well, the work is presently going on, so I don't know how much percentage. But all I can say is that it has resumed, and the work is being also monitored constantly by the High Powered Committee, which is chaired by the Chief Secretary of the State, Mr. Rao. And we are very, very sincere, and we are very serious about completion of Garnol project. This is a very big it's a matter of great pride for Garo Hills, and also it will address a lot of issues with regards to the problem of power in Garo Hills. So therefore we are very, very committed and sincere in our want to see that the Garnol project comes to completion, and we expect May 2022.